All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company, out here in actually Seneca County, Ohio. And check this out here. I want to share with you just a couple things, couple tips, I think, that we've experienced over the years as far as a roof, and then also pre-drilling some of the metal and maybe a few other things. But I want to share with you on this building, 30 by 32. But the first thing I want to talk to you, this happened, I don't know, probably about 10 years ago. You can see how we got half the roof on. Now, if you leave a job, for example, let's say you leave a job and leave it in this situation. Now, the problem is there's no sidewall steel on this, okay? And this is an issue. We had this happen where part of the roof was on, left a job, and then, boy, high winds will come and then it'll rip the heck off that roof, okay? So you never want to leave a job. I mean, it's just not highly recommendable. You got high winds. I don't care where you live. Arkansas, Iowa, Kansas, Ohio, wherever you're at. This is Ohio, but this happened and we learned our lesson and we don't do that anymore. So if you can't get the roof on, don't leave it in this state right here. But you can also see what we're doing here as far as the sheets of metal here. You can see actually this is drip stop that's going to be applied. Let's go back up here. That's drip stop applied to the roof there. But you can see the guys just line this up. You can see the thickness right there. What they did is they pre-drilled. Now if you get too many sheets, you're gonna break your bit. But you can see right here, I don't know, maybe about 10 sheets or so. But again, pre-drilled that. That way when you go up there, it just saves on the labor, the efficiency. You're just more efficient in what you do. So, a couple things right there. You always want to, not the lecture here, because this is not a lecture series here, but you want to make sure that this roof is definitely enclosed, unless you have the sidewall steel on. Again, this house wrap does provide you with some moisture, or not moisture, but some wind barrier. But you definitely want to have a sidewall steel on that before you leave the property. So hopefully that helps you there. Saves you maybe some aggravation, because we just had a guy actually call us the other day. He wanted 26 40-foot trusses. And one of our sales guys asked him, said, well, why do you need that many trusses? And that's what happened. He had the roof situation, ripped the heck, high winds, ripped the heck out of his building. So, a true life, that's a real life story there. So hopefully that helps you. So anyway, all right, if you like the video, boom, give it a thumbs up. Until the next one, keep it locked, loaded right here, Attica Lumber, since 1925.